happens when BMW takes a legendary name from the past and brings it roaring into the future? You get the 2026 BMW R100. And trust me, this bike is turning heads everywhere it goes. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of the year, the all-new 2026 BMW R100. Design. BMW has absolutely nailed the neo-retro aesthetic here. The R100 pays homage to the classic boxer heritage while incorporating sleek, modern lines. The circular LED headlight, brushed aluminum accents, and that iconic air-cooled engine silhouette create a timeless look. Whether parked at a cafe or cruising through city streets, this bike commands attention. Performance. The refined 1170cc Boxer twin engine produces 95 horsepower and 83 pound-feet of torque. Power delivery is smooth and linear, perfect for daily commutes and weekend adventures alike. The suspension offers excellent feedback, and handling feels surprisingly nimble for a bike of this size. Features and technology. Technology-wise, BMW hasn't held back. You get a 6.5-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity, multiple riding modes, cruise control, and advanced traction control. Keyless ignition and heated grips come standard, adding welcome convenience. Conclusion. Overall, the 2026 BMW R100 beautifully blends heritage with innovation, a bike that respects its roots while embracing the future. If this review helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more motorcycle content. Drop a comment below. Would you add this bike to your garage? Share this with a fellow rider, and we'll see you in the next one.